Robinhood gift cards are a great way to introduce someone to investing. This guide will walk you through the steps to use them effectively. Step 1. Receive the gift card. Once you receive a Robinhood gift card, check the card for any specific instructions or a unique code that you will need to redeem it. Step 2. Create or log into your Robinhood account. If you don't already have a Robinhood account, download the app and create one. If you have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 3. Navigate to the gift card section. In the app, look for the option to redeem gift cards. This is usually found in the account settings or under Specific Promotions tab. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Input the unique code from your gift card into the designated field. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any errors during the redemption process. Step 5. Confirm and start investing. After entering the code, confirm the redemption. The funds will be added to your account, and you can start using them to invest in stocks or ETFs. By following these steps, you can easily use your Robinhood gift card and begin your investing journey. Happy investing!